Hello and welcome to Systematic Design for Instruction. I'm Dr. Sky, and here's the real Dr. Sky. Hello and welcome to our semester. I would like to introduce you to a new tool that might help you with all of this information you're gaining. Each semester, you have all these course resources, and I have a tool that can help you to uh, grasp the information, understand it, and maybe be able to use it better. What we have here is our topic one. We're going to be looking at models and frameworks, and it's just such good information for you. Now, over here are all of your course resources. What I did was I took the title and I used this new Gen AI tool. It's called Notebook LM. If you haven't used it before, I'll just walk you through the process for using it. This is my account, and I'll be sharing the link with you so you can get in here. What I did was I just cut and paste all the information from our syllabus, all of these resources that we have here, and I just entered all of these into the prompt. Okay. And when I did, all of this information's in here now. Now I'll be able to change that information into different modalities. Does that sound familiar? Say you're a commuter or you like to listen rather than read books, you could make it an audio overview, or here's a mind map feature, flashcards, so you can actually test yourself on the knowledge. Great way to learn these models. An infographic, video overview, reports, a quiz you could take. I don't give you quizzes, but you are learning competencies by proving you can do what it is you're learning. But there's also, these two are in beta, a slide deck feature. So I created a couple of these. Here are the flashcards. Put it on whole screen, and you can see how easy it is to just manipulate the information and review it and really get a handle on all of this mind boggling. I know it's like a fire hose, isn't it? And I always say develop your EdTech toolkit because you'll be using these links and these resources, this information, probably your whole career. This one is a mind map that I thought was just fascinating. So it just keeps opening up, and I know, just a great way to study the information, isn't it? Let's see, what else do they have? Oh, this one was an infograph. And I can download this and send it, or I can share it, and I'll do that in my announcement that I make. But I just wanted to introduce you to this tool, and maybe it will help you with all of this information that you're having to learn so quickly. The semesters go by really fast. I look forward to seeing your work, and I just really appreciate already the effort that you put in with your intros and summary of content knowledge. Now, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. We could open up the class questions and have discussions, or if you'd like, I can even open a discussion portal. We can use it like a professional learning community and really connect this semester. Okay. So let me know if you need anything, and have a great semester.